Well, it's a chilly morning here at the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad in Cumberland, Maryland. And today, they brought the thunder. By 1948, most railroads were ordering the new technology diesel-electric locomotives. But the Chesapeake, Ohio Railroad was looking for quick turnaround, high-power locomotives to service the coal mines in the mountains of Kentucky and West Virginia. They turned to Baldwin Locomotive Works and ordered 25 of the battle-tested 2662 H6 class articulated steam locomotives. Due to labor unrest cutting into production at the mines, the order was later changed to 10. And in 1949, the C&O took delivery on 1309 and her sister engines, 1300 through 1308. These H6s would be the last domestic steam power produced by Baldwin. Their careers in the mountains were short-lived, as they were all retired by 1957. 1309 and one other, now on display in West Virginia, were saved from the scrapper's torch. 1309 sat at the B&O Museum in Baltimore on static display until she was purchased by the WMSR in 2014. Restoration was begun across the river in the Ridgely, West Virginia shops, and on December 31st, 2020, her firebox and boiler came to life. In November 2021, she crossed the Potomac River under her own power for the first time in 65 years. While you're here, if you haven't already, give this video a like and subscribe. We'd sure appreciate it. Today, she's on the head end of the winter service on the Frostburg Flyer. This winter season train makes 2 runs daily on Saturdays and Sundays. The 10 a.m. departure is out and back with about a 20-minute turnaround break in Frostburg. The 1 p.m. departure has a 90-minute layover, so you can explore the station and the town of Frostburg a bit. Normally, the winter service uses diesel motive power, but for this chilly February weekend, 1309 and all her C&O finest will be heading up to Consist into the mountains. And we're going to ride along and enjoy the mountain thunder that only steam can provide.
Whoa! Here we go! Look, we're all taking pictures! Yay! Oh, those doors over there, I spent so much time. This newspaper. Pick up my paper. There's people looking at us. It's quite a scene. Did you hear that? Wow. Elizabeth gets to see see all the water. Lover's Leap is coming up.
Cumberland, Western Maryland.
They talk about Cumberland, Maryland every weekend.
Look at all the people. Wow, there. Lover's Leap is coming up here. You want to see it? Stand up on the wall. Ready? See now? Say, woo-hoo, there's people. Eli? Oh, come on. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Oh, Kayla said you're boy.
You see all the water? Your Grammy used to swim in that water. I did. Wow, look at all the people that were up here. I know. See it? No. Look at all that.
Today. Yeah, nice.
Wow, look at all of them up there. I hear the whistle. Do you hear the whistle? Okay. Elizabeth hears it too. Look at all that. Whoa. Whoa. We got a tunnel coming. We have a tunnel coming. There we are. Woo-hoo.
We do better attack cut. That's cool. What town is that?
Outside.
Okay.
That's what the fire rail is there.
Oh, there's my spoon.
Fire rail.
Oh, there's my hostel. Message didn't get through again.
Probably just went.
Why do we have to do this?
I'd like
Why
to
does
check
it
it.
Hi there. Frostburg. Folks,
If there is anyone who wants to get off the train and stay until our 4 o'clock departure, please move to the forward part of the train and we will open up one vestibule so you can be trained. Otherwise, folks, we're going to make a quick turn in Frostburg. We'll ask everyone else to stay aboard the train, and our turnaround will probably be within 10 to 15 minutes.
Well, as you may have noticed, the Railfans are out in force to get a look at 1309 and CNO Yellow. That was a great ride up through the mountains to the town of Frostburg. Definitely something that anyone who's into history or trains would find a great getaway here in Cumberland, Maryland. Thanks for coming along. Hope to catch you on the next one.